everyone, welcome back to my channel. So graduation season is coming up and I decided to do like this DIY decorate your own cap, and I got most of the stuff from JoAnn's or Michael's, or you can even go to Hobby Lobby if you have that by you. So since our cap and gown is navy blue, I decided to go with this sparkly blue. So if you're interested in learning this DIY, then just keep on watching. So first things first, to start off, you'll be needing a glue gun, and make sure you have a lot of glue sticks because it's going to be a hassle having to go back to the store and get some more. And then I have just my letters, more letters, and then more letters. And I just bought this like bedazzle because I like to be extra. Then like these little tiny white flowers. And make sure you also have your scissors. So I just went ahead and glued the paper onto my hat, and this is the final product. I hope you guys liked it, and for those that are graduating, congrats.